5 amazing background remove tricks in Adobe Photoshop 2025. In this video I will show you how to remove background in Adobe Photoshop. Drag the copy this layer. Hide this layer. Go to Lasso tool. Selection these area. Click the mask. Right-click, choose the Select and Mask. Go to Select and choose Subject. Click on Object Aware. Click on Decontaminate Color. Press OK. That's it. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more tutorials. Let me show you how to cut out hair in Adobe Photoshop. Duplicate the image layer by pressing Ctrl+J. Choose the background layer and let's add a solid color over it. Let's choose light blur color. Choose the upper layer. Now pick any of these brushes to get the select subject and select and mask. Choose Select and Mask. Select onion skin so that the background is shown. Make sure the transparency is 100. Now press Select Subject. You can also change the view to On Layer. Now choose between Object Aware or Color Aware depending on your image. For this image, Color Aware is better. Choose the Refine Edge brush and let's refine the edges of the hair. Follow the process. Now choose the Decontaminate color. Have a look at it before Decontaminate colors. After Decontaminate colors, choose New Layer with Layer Mask. It simply expands it. It's going to create a new layer with the same layer mask in here. Hold Alt and click on the mask. Let's refine the mask. Take the brush. Choose the Blend Mode Overlay. Make sure foreground color is white. If you paint outside, it won't paint on black areas. Follow this process. Hold Alt and click on the mask to see the image and see what needs to be fixed. You're refining the mask. Now create a new layer. Right-click and choose Create Clipping Mask. Change Blending Mode to Color. Choose the Brush tool. Change the mode to Normal. Decrease the to 40%. Hold Alt and take a sample of the hair and start painting. Take another sample from each part of the hair and start painting. We are fixing the hair color. Hold Alt and take a sample of the hair and start painting. Choose this layer, press Ctrl+J to make a copy. Choose this layer. Change the blending mode to multiply so that we darken the hair color. Choose this layer. Double-click here to go to blend-in mode. Take this slider from left to right, hold Alt and click Break It Part. Follow this process. You can change the background color if you want. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Also watch other tutorials in my channel. Leave your comments below you have any question. Let me show you how to remove background in Photoshop. Go to Select and choose Subject. Add a layer mask. Photoshop has done a great job here. Let's add a solid color behind this image. Follow this process. Drag this layer behind the image layer. Let's try another picture. Go to Select and choose Subject. Add a layer mask. For more difficult image, you can check out these two tutorials. Like and share this video. Subscribe to YouTube channel for more videos. Remove the background in one click in Adobe Photoshop. First, unlock the background layer. Go to Window, open your properties from the quick action. Click on Remove Background. That's it. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to remove background in Adobe Photoshop. Go to Lasso tool. Select this area. Click Select and Mask. Select and mask. Click Refine Hair. Press OK. Add a mask. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe my YouTube channel for more tutorial.